What's up guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name's Jake. Welcome to the JD Cars Automotive YouTube channel. Pretty quick informal video on the Jeep Wrangler over here today. We're gonna be doing 3 really quick and easy upgrades under 70 bucks. Not really something I planned doing, but I was looking through the garage after I got some more parts in, and I was like, hey, let's do a couple things to the Jeep. So the first thing we're gonna be doing is installing some red aluminum door inserts here. Pretty classic thing to do to your Jeep. A lot of people do that. The next customization is going to be putting on a little American flag decal right here on this panel. Got to make sure we clean that off really well. And to go along with it, not necessarily just for the looks, it is going to look really cool, I think. We have a 50 cal bullet antenna to replace this stock one because our radio isn't really working that well. Not sure if it's actually the head unit itself or if it's just the antenna, but we're gonna find out. I hope to replace that stock stereo with a touchscreen later on down the line, but we're just gonna be focusing on these 3 quick upgrades for the Jeep today, so let's go check them out in the garage. Aluminum door handle inserts, let's take a look. Ooh, they're not anodized, they're actually painted, but I like that. That looks sweet. I was expecting them to be red anodized aluminum, but that looks really nice. Got some good weight to it. Honestly, that looks sweet. Damn. Super RE hooking it up again. Got some nice stainless hardware. They are panhead, so they're gonna slip right into the recessed countersink there. But yeah, man, these look really nice. I'm gonna show you the clear coat more up close here. It's a really nice clear coat on there. I'm excited. Yeah, let's bring the Jeep in and screw these puppies in. Alright, so coming over to our rear passenger door handle here. Seems like a good place to start off, but these are not symmetrical. If you look at them closely, one end is rounded like this, but this end is rounded like this. So that end is gonna go down here. This end kind of fits in there naturally. This one slopes back, so there's no edge sticking out. If you were to put it in this way, you'll see you have that edge sticking out. So make sure to insert it the proper orientation here. Hold it in place. Grab one of the included screws, and I'm gonna make sure this is nice and flush here. Get my screw in there. Hold the insert where I'm comfortable with it, and we'll just screw it in. Awesome. That looks sweet. Already checking things out here. It looks so great with the Super E grab handles up there. Then we have the little insert, and then we have a red Rough Country long arm lift kit. Looks awesome. I'm gonna throw the other ones on really quick off camera and we'll take a look. All right, so about, I don't know, 5 minutes later, we have all 5 of these installed. So I have 2 on the passenger side, our 2 over on the driver's side, of course. And I didn't even realize, I didn't even count them, but there's a 5th one included for the tailgate, which is awesome. So all 5 door handles are matching. Looks really sick. I do want to get some red shackles to match this. I think that would look really cool on the back, but really happy with how this is looking. Try to get a better look outside once we're done with everything, but now let's move on to, let's remove this antenna so we have more room to work and apply our decal. We'll apply our 2 decals, and then we'll install our new antenna. All right, so a 10mm box wrench fits on here pretty loosely, but it fits nonetheless. I believe we're just gonna go lefty-loosey here to remove our old antenna. Just a few turns of the wrench and it's already finger tight. Just remove it like that. There we go. Quite a bit of debris in there. I'm gonna go see if I have any dielectric grease. We're definitely gonna wanna put some in there. All right, so I just cleaned this out with a little pick tool and some compressed air. Now, before we apply our decal to this panel up here, I'm gonna use a microfiber and some isopropyl alcohol just to clean things up here. Alright, so in here we've got our new Ronin 50 cal style bullet antenna. Even the packaging looks sick. And then we have our 2 new decals here. These are just your standard like 3x5 little American flag decals, Amazon Prime. I got the matte black ones. I think that's gonna look pretty cool. Let's take a look at them here. They do feel really thick. So that's a good sign. Looks like we can get some free color American flag decals if we scan this code, so that's pretty cool. But yeah, we have 2 American flag decals, and as you can see, not every set of decals comes with a reversed flag. So if you're particular about that, or if you even just think it would be better for you to have the stars in the front on the passenger side and the stars on the front on the driver's side, if you want that symmetry, definitely go ahead and check out the link below for these guys. I think it's gonna look really good. But let's go ahead and do the passenger side and driver's side and see what it looks like. Well, that came out absolutely sick. All right, passenger side looks a little bit weird just because it's reversed. Let's look at the driver's side. It just looks so good. Like, it fits the area really well. Perfect size. The matte black just blends in with everything else, so it's kind of that like subtle, subdued look, but I really like it. Super clean cuts on the stars. Really nice die cut decal. Adds a nice look to it. Looks good with the red. So let's move on to our 50 cal bullet antenna. All right, so here's our old antenna. Pretty corroded, but let's crack this thing open, see what we get. Really nice packaging. Veteran supported, satisfaction guaranteed, USA owned. Awesome. Step 1, unscrew OEM antenna, clean off any residual thread compound. We just did that. If antenna came with 2 fittings, thread correct screw into antenna first. Thread antenna in by hand, and then locking compound will cure in 24 hours. So maybe they give us a compound in here. Maybe I don't need to use my dielectric grease. Oh man, this thing's big. All right, so we got a little Ronin card with their Instagram tag, some sweet Ronin decals. These things look really nice. That's awesome. 2 Ronin decals, both really cool. Gonna find somewhere cool on the Jeep for those. Little customer care card, the moment we've been waiting for. Oh, baby. Woo! That thing is crazy. Taking a look at the bottom, we have the sweet Ronin logo. Looks like there's compound already on the threads. I don't know, I can't tell. I'm still gonna add some dielectric just as precaution. But guys, I have some, I don't know, big average size hands. This is a big antenna. I mean, I don't know. I don't know that I've seen a 50 cal bullet in person. I do some shooting, but definitely not with 50 cals. Someone can probably tell me if this is the actual size. I think it is actual size of a 50 cal, but really cool. Nice weight in the hand. Definitely not super heavy. I can tell it's made of aluminum, but really solid quality. I can tell it's built really well. Let's go throw it in the Jeep and see if it improves our sound quality. All right, so we've got a little bit of dielectric here. Just gonna get a little bit on the threads here, spread it around. Dielectric really can't hurt anything, it can only help. So we'll get that nicely spread around and we'll hand thread this in. I hope the logo, you know, lands in the right spot. So the logo did not land in the right spot, just hand tightening it. I have no idea if this strap wrench is gonna work. It's for like bigger oil filters, but let's give it a shot at least. Oh, yeah, we got some movement. All right, that looks good. Scuffed up the logo a little bit. See if I can polish that off, but at least I got it landed on the outside. Looks badass along with that American flag decal. I'm excited to see if it improved the performance of the radio. So yeah, it definitely looks good, but let's jump in the Jeep and see if it did anything. All right, let's see what happens. We are in the garage, of course, 2-story garage, and it's stormy out. Go to FM radio. Oh, wow. All right, I don't know if I can play this. It's definitely copyrighted, but right away, I am shocked with the clarity. Like, it was almost unbearable listening to this radio before, simply because there's so much static with that stock antenna. I don't know. We probably damaged it off-roading, and it was hitting everything. It's new Ronin antenna's nice and tucked away. It's not gonna hit anything off-roading, but really, really good sound quality. Little to no static. We're in the garage, it's stormy out. I'm super impressed. So yeah, that's 3 really quick, cheap, and easy upgrades for your Jeep Wrangler that you can do right at home. Minimal to no hand tools. Some nice crack of thunder. But yeah, we had our Supari red door handle inserts. They have a couple other colors, I believe. Super quick and easy. They look really good along with the red grab handles. And we had these American flag decals. Went on really nice clean cuts. And then we had the Ronin 50 cal style antenna here, tucked down below the hood line. Doesn't look like it's gonna get hit by much, and it feels really solid, along with the great sound quality that it provided. So yes, 40 bucks is kind of expensive, but I feel a lot better about, you know, supporting veterans, supporting a USA business, and getting a really high quality product, opposed to something cheaper from China that probably wouldn't last as long as this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll have links to everything down in the description below as always. If you enjoyed the video, please go smash that like button down below. Leave future video suggestions in the comments. Please subscribe for more Jeep videos. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time on JD Cars.